Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the HP ZBook Studio 16 G11 mobile workstation, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. For anyone who's ever struggled to meet a tight deadline, knows what it's like to have their creative vision compromised by slow performance, or has had to sacrifice quality for portability, I'm sure you're nodding along. Well, that's all about to change with the HP ZBook Studio 16 G11 mobile workstation. This powerhouse laptop is designed specifically for professionals who need a machine that can keep up with their demanding workloads, whether that's engineering, design, or content creation. And let me tell you, it delivers. So what makes this mobile workstation so special? For starters, its Intel Ultra 7165H processor is like having a personal assistant at your beck and call. It ensures everything happens quickly and smoothly, no matter how complex the task may be. With 32 GB of RAM and a spacious 1 TB SSD, you can have multiple apps open simultaneously without any lag or slowdowns. But what really sets this laptop apart is its graphics capabilities. The NVIDIA RTX 1000 ADA graphics card is like having your own personal artist at your side. It brings even the most demanding creative applications to life with stunning visuals and precision rendering. Whether you're working on a film, creating intricate designs, or just need to get some serious gaming done, this laptop delivers. And then there's the display itself, a 16-inch IPS screen that's perfect for detailed content creation and professional applications. The low blue light emission reduces eye strain, and the 400 nits of brightness mean you can work from anywhere without sacrificing image quality. Now, I know what you're thinking, how does this laptop perform in real-world scenarios? Well, I've been using it non-stop for days now, and I can confidently say that everything runs smoothly. The battery life is impressive, too. I was able to get over 8 hours of use on a single charge. Of course, like any machine, there are some minor complaints. The keyboard could be a bit more ergonomic for some users, and the cooling system gets a bit hot during intense tasks. But these are minor quibbles compared to the overall performance and value this laptop offers. So is it worth buying? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're a professional who needs a machine that can keep up with your demanding workloads, look no further than the HP ZBook Studio 16 G11 mobile workstation. Whether you're an engineer, designer, or content creator, this laptop delivers exceptional performance, portability, and value. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.